Good morning. I am Dr. Mahadeva Nayak, Central LMSC Content Scheme, Department of Collegiate Education, Karnataka. Program Bachelor of Commerce. Subject Principles of Marketing. Semester, second semester, University of Mysore, Session 20. Session 20. Slides consisting of features of advertising. It consisting of recap, learning objective, learning outcomes, introduction, features of advertising, summary or conclusion, MCQs on the related session, and the references. Let us recap. In the previous session, we have discussed about the introduction and the meaning and definitions of advertising. Now, in this session, let us see the introduction, meaning, and definition of advertising. The expected session outcomes to the learners is to introduce you to the introduction, meaning, and definition of advertising. Let us see what are all the importance of advertising or features of advertising. The first and most important feature is it provides the information. The man in the society, the ultimate user in the society, who is having the zeal to use a particular product or services, not having information to satisfy his needs. So, advertising will play a vital role. It provides details, features of a product uses, prices, and benefits. It gives the information about the manufacturer, the name and instruction for using the product effectively. So the important advertising feature is it provides information. The second one is paid communication. Business select, assign and pay advertiser for preparing advertisement. This maybe includes the size, slogan, etc. Advertiser are asked to prepare a design or format of the advertisement as per the product or service requirement of the business. That's why we will call as a paid communication feature. Non-personal presentation. Advertisement is a non-personal presentation, which means the media tools like television, radio, newspaper, etc. are considered that reaches out to a large number of peoples. That's why the important features of advertisement is a non-personal presentation. Next one is publicity. Advertisement provides information about the product. Advertisement provides publicity to goods and services and ideas. Advertising provides flows and movements of information with the aim of increasing public awareness of a subject. We can see one of the examples that Hindustan Unilever Limited, HUL's Project Sunlight has recently launched Bright Future Speeches, wherein the India youth raises concern about the need for sanitation and hygiene through films and television advertisement. This is possible through publicity. And the next feature is persuasion. The main feature of advertising is to persuade and attract the ultimate customer to new ideas that lead to probable sale of products. which means the information need to be believable and convincing that product is better than their competitive product. We must state that our product is better than their competitive products, or our product is best when compared to other competitive products. This is one of the importance, persuasion. And the advertisement importance is to target oriented of customer. It needs to target customer and market. Advertisement deposit target customer and marketers by relevant characters, themes, slogans. Protein health drinks like Horlicks, Complan, etc. targeted towards the children groups. Representing the young urban India, and emotions are targeted towards excellencing in studies, which includes sports and tackling competition. The importance of advertisement is creativity. Creativity plays a critical role in advertising, which involves presenting a product in an artistic, attractive, and agreeable manner. Let us see some of the MCQs. When marketing practices are criticized for reducing competition, the criticism falls under the universal area of societal marketing issue. This is one of the question. Here you can see the answer A, B, C, D. Marketing impact on other business. The answer is B for this first question. The second MCQ is dash is about bringing your product service to the notice of your target market and reminding them for persuading customer to purchase that product service. The answer is B, promotion. The third MCQ, the dash that is selected to communicate the product or services to clientele forms of promotional mix. The answer you can see A, B, C, D. Marketing, product, promotional budget. Promotional method, D is the answer for this MCQ. Projecting the image of the company by taking up social causes for long-term benefit is done through. The answer is B, corporate social responsibility, CSR. Fifth question, dash involves targeting specific area where possible customers are likely to be using public information list to help identifying prospective clients. The answer is A, direct mail. There are some related answer like community directories, radios, point of sales display, etc. But direct mail is important to involve a targeting specific areas. So the answer for this fifth MCQ is direct mail. Answer is A. The reference is Marketing Management by Philip Kotler, Marketing Management by Pillai and Bhagavati, Rajan Saxena and Channawala. These are some of the references used for prepared PPT. Thank you.